Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today I am going to discuss next chapter of mathematics of class 9 in area of triangles and quadrilaterals. Area of triangles and quadrilaterals, chapter number 14. This chapter belongs to branch of mathematics mensuration. Okay, so first of all we know about the great mathematician Heron. Okay, so Heron 10 AD to 75 AD, यानी हीरोन का जो जन्म हुआ था वो 10 ईस्वी से में हुआ था और उसका मृत्यु 75 AD, इसका मतलब 75 ईस्वी में हो गया था. सो हीरोन वाज बोर्न इन अलेक्जेंड्रिया इन इजिप्ट. हीरोन वाज बोर्न इन अलेक्जेंड्रिया इन इजिप्ट इन 10 AD. इजिप्ट के अलेक्जेंड्रिया नामक शहर में 10 AD 10 ईस्वी में हीरोन का जन्म हुआ. एंड ही वर्कड ऑन अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स. अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स पर उन्होंने वर्क किया एंड रोट 3 बुक्स ऑन मेंसुरेशन. रोट 3 बुक्स ऑन मेंसुरेशन. 3 बुक्स उन्होंने मेंसुरेशन पर लिखा. वन ऑफ हिज बुक्स डील्स विथ द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल्स, ट्रायंगल्स, रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन्स, सर्किल्स, सरफेस ऑफ सिलेंडर्स, कोन्स एंड स्फीयर etc. उनके मेंसुरेशन में 3 बुक्स में से किसी एक बुक में, वन ऑफ हिज बुक्स, उन्हें डील किया है विथ द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर का एरिया, रेक्टेंगल का एरिया, ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया, रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन्स का एरिया, सर्किल का एरिया एंड अ सरफेस ऑफ सिलेंडर्स, कोन्स एंड स्फीयर. सरफेस ऑफ सिलेंडर, कोन्स एंड स्फीयर. ओके, एंड he derived the famous Heron's formula for finding the area of a triangle. Okay, and this is the famous formula, Heron's formula for finding the area of a triangle. Okay, students, next is formula for area of triangles. Area of triangles, formula for area of triangles. So first is area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 multiply base multiply height of square units. Okay, height is also called altitudes. So 1 by 2 multiply base multiply heights of square units. And next is Heron's formula. Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle ABC in which all sides are given. So the side BC is A, AC is B and AB is C. So let ABC be the sides of triangle ABC. So first of all we find the semi-perimeter. Perimeter is the all sum of all sides and the semi-perimeter is the half sum of all sides. So 1 by 2 into A plus B plus C, yeah, or A plus B plus C by 2. And area of the triangle ABC equal to root under S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, a square unit, where S is the semi-perimeter and A, B and C is the side of this triangle. Okay, and next third number, area of an equilateral triangle. Next third number, area of an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal in a triangle A, B and C. All sides are A units. Okay, so third number, let A be the sides of, let A be the side of an equilateral triangle ABC. ABC. So area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into A square. It means side का square units. Okay, and the height of an equilateral triangles, this is the height, this is the altitudes, AD is the perpendicular to BC. So AD is the height of an equilateral triangle. So height of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 2 into 5 units. Okay, root 3 by 2 into 5. So 4 number formula, area of an isosceles triangle. So ABC is an isosceles triangle in which two sides AB and AC are equal. So AB equal to A and AC equal to A. So both sides are equal, and BC is the base. Base is B units. Okay. So consider an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle ABC base equal to B and each of equal sides A unit. Okay, so area of an isosceles triangle equal to B by 4 multiply root under 4A square minus B square of square roots. Okay, so this is the area of an isosceles triangle. Students, let us discuss some examples of exercise chapter 14, area of triangles and quadrilaterals. For students, let us discuss some examples related to area of triangles. Okay, so my first example is find the area of a triangle whose base is 25 centimeter long and the corresponding height is 10.8 centimeter. So find the area. Let us start. So given base of a triangle equal to 25 centimeter and corresponding height equal to 10.8 centimeter. So therefore area of triangles equal to 1 by 2 multiply base multiply height. So 1 by 2 into base equal to 25 centimeter and height equal to 10.8 centimeter. So remove decimal, so 10 and 2 5 are 10 and 2 4 are 8. So 25 multiply 54 by 10 centimeter square. 5 5 are 25, 5 2 are 10, 27, 27 5 are 135 centimeter square. So hence the area of the triangles whose base is 25 centimeters and the corresponding height is 10.8 centimeter is 135 square centimeter. Students, our next example is third number. The length of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. 3:4:5, and its perimeter is 144 centimeter. Its perimeter it means the sum of all sides of a triangle. So find the area of the triangle, and second, first the area of the triangle, find the area of the triangle, and the second the height of the corresponding to the longest side. Okay, so let's start solution. Let the length of the sides of a triangle comma B and C are 3x, 4x and 5x respectively. Let the length of the sides of a triangles are A, B, C, triangle B, A, B and C are 3x, 4x and 5x respectively. So perimeter of the triangle equal to 144 centimeter. So this implies perimeter of the triangle is equal to sum of all sides. So all sides are A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C equal to 144 centimeter. So value of the A equal to 3x plus 4x or plus 5x equal to 144 centimeter. So 5 or 4 9x, 9 or 3 12x. So 12x equal to 144 centimeter. 12 yeah 144. So x equal to 12. Okay. So here A equal to 3x. So 3x multiplied 12 equal to 36 centimeter. Okay. B equal to 4x. 4 multiplied 12 equal to 48 centimeter. And C equal to 5x. So 5 multiplied 12 equal to 60 centimeter. So length of the sides of a triangle are 36 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 60 centimeter. Okay. So first of all we find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangles, we use Heron's formula. So first of all we find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter equal to S. Semi-perimeter equal to half into A plus B plus C. So half into A equal to 36 plus 48 plus 60 centimeter. Okay. So 1 by 2 multiply 48 and 36. 8 4 10 144. So 72 centimeter. Okay. So the semi perimeter of this triangle is 72 centimeter and the perimeter is 144 centimeter. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangles equal to root under S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So this implies root under S equal to 72 minus 36, A equal to 36 and 72 minus 48 centimeter and 72 minus 60. Okay. And area of triangle equal to root under 72 multiply 36. 72 minus 36 equal to 36 multiply 72 minus 48 equal to 24 multiply 72 minus 60 equal to 12. Equal to 12. Okay. So 12 6 ja 72 and 36 we write 6 multiply 6 and 24 6 multiply 4 or multiply 12. Okay. And there 12 6 of 4 equal to 2. Okay. 22 or multiply 12. 864 centimeter square. So first the area of the triangle, hence the area of the triangle is equal to 864 centimeter square. Okay, so first is clear. And second, the height of the corresponding to the longest side. So our longest side is 60 centimeter. So longest side is the C, 5x, 5 multiplied 12 equal to 60 centimeter. So longest side, next second number, longest side equal to 60 centimeter, and let height equal to h centimeter. So area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 multiply base multiply height. So area of triangle is equal to 864 centimeter square equal to 1 by 2, or base equal to 60 centimeter. The longest side equal to 60 and the corresponding height equal to h. So 230, or here h equal to 864 by 30. Okay, so 3 10 ja 30 or 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24 or 3 8 ja 24, yani 28.8 centimeter is the height of this triangle. Okay, so hence the first is area of the triangle equal to 864 square centimeter and the height of the triangle is 28.8 centimeter. Okay, our next example is 6 number. The height of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter. Height of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, so first of all we draw a diagram. ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. In each side equal to a centimeter. So A and A. B AD is the perpendicular to BC. So AD is the height of an equilateral triangle. So height equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so let ABC, let's start solution. Let triangle ABC, let triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, which all sides are a centimeter. All sides are equal. Its size, all sides are a centimeter. And height equal to 6 centimeter. So we know that height of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 2 into side. Okay, root 3 by 2 into side. For height of an equilateral triangle 6 centimeter. So we write ki root 3 a by 2 equal to 6 centimeter. So this implies a equal to 6 multiplied 2 by root 3 centimeter. Okay, okay, centimeter. So 6 is 3 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 by root 3 centimeter. Root 3 is to 3 and the 2 to the 4 root 3 centimeter. 4 root 3 centimeter is the side of this equilateral triangle. Okay, so find the area. So area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into phi का square. So root 3 by 4 into a equal to 4 root 3, 4 root 3 का whole square. So equal to root 3 by 4 into 16 multiply root 3 is to 9. 4 का square equal to 16, 4 4 या 16 और root 3 का square equal to 3. Okay, 4 4 या 16, 4 3 या 12 root 3 square centimeter is the area of this equilateral triangle. Okay. Next example is 8 number. Find the area of an isosceles triangle. Area of an isosceles triangle, each of whose equal sides is 13 centimeter and whose base is 24 centimeter. So find the area of an isosceles triangle from the Heron's formula and the direct method. Area of an isosceles triangle equal to by the formula. So let's start solution. In an isosceles triangle, equal sides equal to A equal to 13 centimeter and the base equal to B equal to 24 centimeter. So area of an isosceles triangle equal to B square by 4, B by 4 multiply root under B by 4 multiply root under 4A square minus B square unit. So students, area of an isosceles triangle equal to B by 4 multiply root under 4A square minus B square units. So we put the value of A and B. So B by 4, so B equal to 24 by 4 multiply root under 4A square. So 4 into A equal to 13 का whole square और minus B square for 24 का square. Okay. Fix root 4 multiply 169. 13 जा 169 minus 24 का square equal to 576. So 6 multiply root under 9 676 minus 576 equal to 6 multiply root under 100. 676 minus 576 equal to 100. So equal to 6 multiply 10 equal to 60 centimeter. So area of an isosceles triangle equal to 60 centimeter. Okay. So